We, the women of Walmart Global Tech India, are powering the next retail disruption by creating the future of technology, sparking innovation with the heart. Through the cool stuff we build every day, we bridge the best and the next. As we celebrate the achievements of women this month, here's a sneak peek into our innovations that are accelerating the technology revolution of tomorrow.
I am part of global security team that works on next generation solutions, latest cloud architecture, technology stack, and robotic process automation. We also use design thinking framework to understand our business as much as possible. The outcome of these products is humongous savings in terms of dollars and also importantly time, which is going to help our business streamline and fasten their existing process. This comes with huge change management, which is going to help our business reduce their operating costs and rethink the way they're doing business today.
What does the word technology mean to you? To me, technology is something that can solve the real life problems through simpler, quicker, reliable, and accurate solutions. Let's consider a scenario. A customer places an order, a gift for a friend or a family. What then? What works behind to ensure that this order reaches the destination defect free and at the right time? I am part of the promise and sourcing team under the Mexico Walmart International, supporting the long stream of operations that are meticulously designed to ensure this delivery. How do we achieve this? We listen to the customers. Our robust backend software system continuously strives to achieve the fastest on-site delivery at the lowest shipping cost. We work at the frontier of technology, most advanced machine learning models, robust automation algorithms, and much more to provide a hassle-free shopping experience for the customers.
I'm working in the domain of assortment and space for Walmart International. As a team, we are involved in developing measurable insights into item purchase patterns, item loyalty and substitutability, transfer of demand due to out of stock, store clustering, etc. What we're currently focusing on is building a tool which recommends optimal space allocation for products in the stores. The work that we do assists the business in making a better decision with respect to merchandising, while also facilitating customer experience in the stores. The solutions that we provide are currently being used by various international markets.
I am part of Walmart International Mexico team. I manage multiple areas under the fulfillment domain. We build solutions that can help our customers to receive the orders on time. These are powered by complex algorithms to select the right store, to select the low-cost carriers, and to also optimize the boxing solutions. These complex algorithms are concealed under a simplified user interface. We also build solutions based on ML to predict the delivery date for the customer orders upfront and also to proactively recommend a replacement item in case if there are certain items unavailable.
Hello everyone, I am Pargavi Nageshwaran from International Supply Chain and I work for Direct Diagnostics called DD. The cool stuff that I done to my application is Direct Diagnostics can able to identify an inventory health issues of an item. So since we are going for big data technology, so the performance wise and cost wise we have 50% of the reductions.
Who are we? We are creators, innovators, architects, technologists, and engineers, redefining the future of technology.